Hello my dear friends, how are you today? So I'm still working on the Riffield models Panzer III. So we've got some texture going on. That's really dark there because I put some surfacer on it. But I filled the weld line once again with your milliput, that resin. But I got it, it's hard to sort of see. See, I got it in this part as well. So you redid those weld lines. And I had a little bit of excess left, so I've never really done this before. I rolled a little canvas roll. It's horrible because there was such a small amount left over, because I only put out a little bit of it, pulled off a little bit, you know, to make those little weld lines. But I thought I wanted to try and make the remainder just as flat as possible, using some flour, because that was the problem I had last time trying to roll this milliput out. It would just really stick to the board I was rolling it on. But I used flour this time, and you know, sort of treated it like I was baking. And I was able to roll it so thin, but it was such a small amount that I wasn't able to cut the sides off and make it, you know, a proper square without, you know, rough edges on it. But I was able to roll it, which was good. So I thought I would just put it on top of this and see how it comes out. You know, I put some wire around it so it looks like it's got some, it's actually, you know, it's fastened on. That's pretty cool. So what we're trying to do now is just getting the frontal armor spare tracks on. But you can see this texture here going on. So what I've done is I've just got some, you know, just an old dirty old brush. I don't think it was that one. Something a bit stiffer like this. It was really just old and stiff, you know, like this. And, you know, just use your acetone, whatever that is, the Tamiya glue, and paint it on, and then just like that when the plastic goes soft. And that really churns it up good. And then what I've done is I've got Tamiya's putty, and just put that on and dab that on, and then lightly sanded it back. So we'll see how that comes out. It should make it just look horrible, which is what we want. See how that goes. Also, I'm just getting this new trench seam built, and I'll show you. So this is going to be the trench here. Alright, it's just a big hunk of plastic, heaps of it. Alright, so this will be the trench, so it's a cutout. So this will be the, you know, upper land, and the trench will be here. So I'm just going to keep getting this angle sharpened up a bit. So this will go on the top here, and it's got the little hole in it, and that's the trench there. So we'll have these guys here up on the top, you know, pointing at the hole, because they're the Panzer Jaegers, and they'll be up the top. But I'll see if I've got, yeah, we've got this figure, and I'll show you how high the trench is. So I'm able to put some seating, and I'll put some wood along the ground. We'll put some seating, we'll have some wood paneling along here to make it the proper trench. And then that'll raise him up a bit so that he can be looking over the trench observations, but he won't be in it. He's a Panzer commander or something. So that'll be cool, won't it? And that's how it's coming along, but look how much plastic I used, offcuts. That's recycling at its best. So I'll show you how this comes along, and it's going to be pretty fun, but yeah, just a lot of work trying to dig all this out here and make it a better angle. So not far to go. It'll be bloody cool. Alright guys, haven't seen you for a bit, so it's good to see you again. And I'll probably make a video tomorrow because it's the weekend. I've been very busy at work. Alright guys, let's do some modelling. Let's get some serious work done. Alright, I'll see you soon.